Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we talk about finance and investing. In this video, we'll be talking about how to invest in crypto, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies have gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and many people are wondering how they can get started. In this video, we'll be going over the basics of investing in crypto and how you can get started today. Step 1. Understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies. The first step to investing in crypto is to understand the technology behind it. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are based on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that records every transaction made with the cryptocurrency. It's important to understand how blockchain works because it's what makes cryptocurrencies secure and decentralized. You can find many resources online, including YouTube videos and blog posts, that can help you understand the basics of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. The next step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges available, but not all of them are created equal. Look for an exchange that is reputable, secure, and user-friendly. Some of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These exchanges offer a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Step 3. Create an account and verify your identity. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This is an important step in the process because it helps to prevent fraud and ensures that you are a legitimate user. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You may also need to provide a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 4. Fund your account. After your account has been created and verified, you'll need to fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card to your cryptocurrency exchange account. Some exchanges also accept other forms of payment, such as PayPal or wire transfers. Once your account has been funded, you'll be ready to buy cryptocurrencies. Step 5. Buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now that you've funded your account, it's time to buy some Bitcoin or Ethereum. The process is simple, just navigate to the buy section of your exchange and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You can either buy a set amount of cryptocurrency or purchase a specific dollar amount. Once you've made your purchase, your cryptocurrency will be added to your exchange account. Step 6. Consider trading strategies. While some people buy and hold cryptocurrencies as a long-term investment, others prefer to trade them in the short term. If you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies, it's important to have a strategy in place. There are many different trading strategies, including swing trading, day trading, and scalping. Each strategy has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to do your research and choose a strategy that suits your risk tolerance and investment goals. Step 7. Store your cryptocurrency. Once you've purchased your cryptocurrency, you'll need to store it somewhere safe. Cryptocurrencies can be stored in a variety of ways, including on the exchange itself, in a digital wallet, or in cold storage. It's important to do your research and choose a storage method that is secure and reliable. Step 8. Stay informed and up to date. Finally, it's important to stay informed and up to date with the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies are a relatively new asset class, and the market can be volatile and unpredictable. It's important to stay informed. Please subscribe for more informative content and hit the bell icon for notifications.